from index 0 or a step index 1. Okay, either you can start from index 0 or index 1. You have to return the minimum number of minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. Okay, so let's understand that in example. Here is an stair which is uh, the cost is 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so you have to reach here. Okay, either you can start from here or either you can start from here. Okay, so if you want to reach the top, here is the top, here is the top. Either you can start from 0. If you start from 0, you can take 1 or 2 step. Okay, so you have to return the minimum. So let's understand. Let's suppose you have just start from 10 and you take 1 step and then 2 step and then this. Okay, you just reach the top. So first you have to add all this 10 plus 15 plus 20, then you will reach the top. Okay, or either in a second step you can take 2 step. Okay, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 20, and then you reach the top. Okay, which is 30, and this one is 5 45. Okay, or either you can start from 15 and you direct reach the top. Okay, so in a 2 you direct reach the top, which is 15, the cost is 15. Okay, or either you can in a fourth step you can take 15 plus 20. Okay, 15 plus 20 and then you reach the top, which is 35. So you have to return the minimum cost, which is 15. Okay, which is 15. So how can you approach this question? First let's do it with the DP. First you have to take int n equals to cost dot size. Okay, and then create a vector int, and then you just have to create a vector int dp n, which is initially -1, all the element in the dp which is -1. Okay, and then you just have to return the minimum of, I will make a function cost1 comma cost comma n-1 comma dp. Okay, and cost1 comma cost comma n-2 and dp. Okay, I have start from n-1 and n-2 because either I can reach from here and here or I can start from here and here is same. Okay, so I have started from end, and then let's make a function int cost1. You have to create vector comma int ampersand cost, and then you just have to take int I comma vector int ampersand dp if I is equals to 0. First you have to check if I is equals to 0 or I is equals to 1. Then you just have to return cost of I. Then you just have to return the cost of I. If dp of I is not equals to -1, then you just have to return dp of I. Okay, and after this you just have to return dp of I is equals to cost of I plus min of cost 1, then you just have to cost comma I minus 1 comma dp comma cost, then cost comma I minus 2 and then dp. Okay, so you have to do like this. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.